back to the video. Basically, in all the videos that we do on command prompt, you can see I have a different color, and my command prompt window is not the normal white and black as you see. Basically, I use something called the color command. So now, how do you change your command prompt window from normal white to blue, red, or yellow? We are going to use the color command. So the color command is going to type COLOR. Then you're going to give the specific color. Now the colors that you are going to give, you can't just type blue or green. You have to type a specific number. So for instance, if I want deep blue, I'm going to type 1 and click enter. Then you can see it has changed the terminal. So how do we know all the color codes? We'll type color / question mark. Now this is going to give us the color codes for the color command. So we can see that 9 equals to light blue. So when I type color 9, you can see it has changed the prompt to light blue. When I type color B, it will change it to neon. When I type color A, it will change it to green. So basically, this is how you can change the colors in command prompt. Another awesome way that we can change the colors in command prompt is using the color with two color codes. So for instance, I can say B and 9. When I click enter on this, you can see it has toggled the colors for foreground and background. This is how you can use the color command. Now, apart from using the color command, we also have another awesome way to custom your terminal. But to go back, you just type color, normal color, and everything goes back to normal. Now, in CMD, there are some awesome things that you can do, like changing the title right here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to clear the screen, CLS, then type title, Wsuits Industries. Basically, when I type this and I click enter, we should see that our command window's title should change to Wsuits Industries right here. We can also change the prompt by typing prompt and inputting something like hacker. And you can see that all I have to do now, anything I type is always going to bring me the hacker prompts. This is how wonderful command prompt is. Thanks for watching the video. That is all for now. Please like, share, and subscribe.